Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the very interesting topic, playing with numbers. Before going to this topic, we shall discuss about some numbers. Means some numbers. See here, these are the some numbers: natural number, whole number, integers, and rational numbers. See here, the natural number. What are the natural numbers? We already know about it. You studied in your previous classes. In these classes we shall recall the numbers. See here, and the natural numbers is started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Similarly, the whole number is started from 0. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. In these integers, the integer is started from 0. This contains the both natural number and whole number. This contains both natural number and whole number. See, 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on. These are the integers. The rational number. The rational number contains integers, whole numbers and natural number. See, this is in the form of P by Q. P by Q, but not Q is equal to 0. See here, example 1 by 2 and 5 by 7 and minus 7 by 13. Minus 7 by 13. These all are rational numbers. We know, but Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. See, we comes to the main topic of this chapter is number in general form. This number is in usual form. We make this usual form into a general form. See here, I will take the 52 is expanded by 2. See here, 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. Is equal to 52. This is the 2 is the unit place and 5 is the 10 place. That's why I will take the 50 plus 2. And next it's again expanded. See here, 5 into 10 plus 2. See, because 2 is the unit place already taken, but 50 is the 10th place. That's why I will multiply by the 5 into 10. It comes to the 52. 52. This is in the usual form. I make this in the general form. General form. Usual form into a general form. See, again another example is 37. 30 plus 7, because 7 is in the unit place, 30 is the 10th place. Again it's 3 into 10 plus 7. This is in the form of general form. This is the form of general form. It is a usual form. It is a usual form. See here. See here in your book. See here in your book. Similarly, 37 can be written as the 37 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 7. Again it's become a 37. Another example. AB is equal to A into 10 plus B. 10A plus B. See, this is the general form. This is the general form. Again it is in the 100 place. See here, 1 is the unit place, 5 is the 10th place, 3 is the 100th place. C 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 1. This is in the form of general form. Again, I will take the A into 100 plus B into 10 plus 1. This is the general form. See here, write the following numbers in the generalized form. Generalized form. C5 is the unit place, 2 is the 10th place. 20 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 5. It is in the general form. Again, 70 plus 3 is equal to 7 into 10 plus 3. It is the general form. 1 is the 100th place. 1 into 100 plus 2 is the 10th place. 2 into 10 plus 9. See, this is also a general form. Again, 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2. This is also a general form. Write the following number in the usual form. 10 into 5 plus 6. This is in the general form. The general form we do in the usual form. See, 50 plus 6 is 56. Again, 7 into 100 is 700. 10 into 1 is 10 plus 8. See, 700 plus 18 become 718. 718. 100 into A plus 10 into C plus B. 100A plus 10C plus B. A, B, C. This is the formation of a general form to usual form. General form to usual form.